I shouldn't have even started. How you guys like this look? Hey guys, what's up?
Yeah, nice hairdo, huh?
Yeah. Oh my god, the hairdresser did a very terrible job.
Yeah.
With roots.
Yeah, like,
she left my roots. Hi, Amanda. Hey, what's up? I basically just grabbed my camera because I wanted to like explain the following clips. Yeah, my mom came in. I'm just doing like some activities with a friend, I guess. Yeah, I'll explain it like right before each one, I guess. Thank you. Hey cutie. Oh, right away to New Rock. I was having a pool day and I got picked up by my friend. He just picked me up to go get a fucking haircut. To go to the barbershop. I ended up in the dollar store after that. And this is his before. I guess he looks like shit now.
I do.
We'll see. So, you know what, like one of those moments when your friend tells you,
oh, I'm gonna go inside like really quick,
and then they're like,
you're gonna stay in the car or you're gonna come with me?
I, at this moment, was the type of person that said,
yes, let me stay in the car.
well, on top of that, he got out of the car, he turned off the car. So I'm guessing he should be coming back quick. At least that's what I was guessing a long ass time ago. Where the is he? Oh, he came out.
Wow, your life is great right now.
It was a little hot.
Why don't you ask for the keys?
Believe it or not, guys, he has left the car again. So let's see how long we wait this time. Oh, at least the car's on this time. I can connect my freaking Bluetooth. Sorry, I was playing Since You've Been Gone, because you've been gone for so long. This time he didn't leave me in the car. I just got out of the car and he was already going inside the barbershop. But we are here to explore the other tiendas que están aquí. De nada.
Es una casa de manicomio. ¿Oíste? Es una casa de manicomio.
Gotta support our local businesses. Good shit. I then have some clips of me in my house with my other friend, me going into my attic. Ooh. Hey, what's up? Ooh, creepiest place alive. Okay.
What's going on out there? Dude, what are you doing? No, stop. That it's not safe. At least I'm like, hey, I told you.
It's not gonna be. Let's see what there is. Alright. It's the attic. Attico. Are you passing me that?
No.
Yo, I'm in my attic. Wait, are you bringing it? Coming from down under. It's not that sick. It's just full of like nasty, I don't know what the hell it is. Attic party. Skills. Oh my god, let's see. We just discovered some treasure. Never mind. Towels. More freaking towels.
Supposed to be doing homework, but she's in the attic.
I'm not supposed to be doing no homework. In this one, leaving my house with my friend, and it's raining balloon sacks, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so peace. Oh my god, it's raining like a shit ton. Oh, what a sunshine day in Miami! Woo! Yeah, I think my camera does not fuck with the rain. Just stands there. Alright, so I'm about to sacrifice the camera. Here goes. Oh shit. I just fucking fucked it up, definitely. Did you actually just do it? Oh my fuck. It needs air, that's what it needs.
I never got your ex hit a color, but he can't do much. Cause you with the kid now, element down close.
So not only is this camera a G, it's a survivor. I'm not gonna give up.
And it was over once I flipped you up. So now you rockin' with a real one. And when I'm in it, ooh, you give me something I can pay for. Just give me all of them. So many.
Nah, be vibing. Much love.